Phonics. It's how children are taught to read in schools today, but chances are it's not how you were taught when you were a child. In this video, I'm going to explain what phonics is and go through all the letter sounds of the alphabet so you can feel confident helping your little one with their learning. When your child is learning phonics, they are learning the sounds that each letter makes. For example, a, t. With practice, they then learn to blend those sounds together to make a word. A, t. Blended together makes mat. Now you might be tempted to say sounds like m, a and t. But try blending that together. M-atter. It doesn't work. The sounds are exactly as you'd read them. A-t. D-o-g. Blended together makes dog. Now you might be thinking, but what about the letter names? Aren't they important? And yes, of course, learning letter names is important, but not at the beginning. If I tried to read this word with the letter names, it would be D-O-G. Blended together, D-O-G. Again, it doesn't work. Now let's go through the sounds as they should be. A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, O, O, P, Q, S, T, A, V, W, X, Y, Z. In our Phonics for Kids videos, we learn the sounds in this order. At your child's school, it's most likely this order or something very similar. This is so the children are able to make simple 3-letter words out of the first sounds they learn. Sometimes 2 letters together make one sound. This is called a digraph. For example, sh and ch. But we'll go through those in our next video. Now you're probably thinking, but hang on, not all words can be sounded out phonetically. And that's true. Now these words can be called tricky words, sight words, common exception words, red words, or your child's school may call them another name. But basically, these are the words that can't be sounded out. Words like the, my, me, was, they, you. These words just simply have to be memorised. Memorised through seeing them in books, using flashcards, seeing them in signs, etc. You'd be surprised at how quickly children remember them. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We have tons of phonics videos for children, as well as advice for parents so you can support them on their journey to reading. See you next time.